Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use TradingView for placing 8 trades. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and just down below the symbol you can see the sell market and buy market. You simply need to click on any of them, but to show you a demo, let me choose any of the option. So once you click on it, another section pops out, right, where you can see you need to add your amount over here, and you can also enable your take profit, and you can adjust your take profit, and you can enable your stop loss and set your stop loss as well, and finally click on buy or sell, and you'll be able to use TradingView for placing a trade successfully. So basically this is how you can use TradingView for placing 8 trades. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.